Thanks, Patrick. Let me at the outset welcome you all. On behalf of TERI, I welcome you all to this sixth annual Energy Management Action Network workshop, EMAC workshop, which is on promoting energy efficiency in small and medium enterprises. Plus also, we have a session on the waste heat recovery measures in India. As you will know that we are organizing this jointly with TERI and IEEJ are jointly organizing this workshop. And we are happy to have always the support of METI, I think, as well as from the Bureau of Energy Efficiency for these kind of initiatives which focus on energy efficiency and technologies and policies. At the outset, I would take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Sharma, Mr. Bhaskar Jyoti Sharma, Secretary, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, and for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir, for coming here. I think it is always a pleasure to have representation from the Bureau of Energy Efficiency in most of the programs which we have from TERI organized. So we are always having the privilege of having senior people from the BEE as a part of the program. BEE, I think just for the benefit of some of you who are coming from outside India, majority of them, of course, know BEE has been spearheading this whole initiative of energy efficiency in India ever since the Energy Conservation Act came into existence. And apart from many other initiatives, they also have a very focused program on the industrial sector. For large industries, of course, they have this most innovative program, which is the Perform, Achieve and Trade scheme. But for the small and the medium enterprises, which is the focus of this workshop, they do have a fairly impressive program, I would say. I think it started with the 11th five-year plan when they had the BE SME program focusing on at least 25 or 30 energy-intensive clusters. And now they are continuing further in this current plan also with some demonstration programs. I'm sure Mr. Sharma will be giving some information about those details as well. So thank you, Mr. Sharma, for joining for us for this inaugural session. We from TERI were really fortunate to be a part of when the whole program of the 11th five-year plan for the BE SME was conceived. So TERI was a knowledge partner for BE. So we are happy to always associate with BE in activities related to SME energy efficiency. I would also take this opportunity to welcome Ms. Junko Ogawa. She is a senior researcher at IEEJ. And also there are other representatives from IEEJ who are present in this room. Welcome all of you here. It's always a pleasure to again work with IEEJ. We from TERI have been working with IEEJ for many years now, I think close to around 8 to 10 years in many of the research studies, not just in the industrial sector, but also I guess a few which we have done from our transport team who have been working with IEEJ on various research projects. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to the others, I think from Japan who are here. I think we have representations from ECCJ, Energy Conservation Center Japan, and I understand a few other colleagues from the Japanese industry will be joining. I think we have representations from Kawasaki and also Hitachi, and a few others will be here with us as you can see from the program. Let me also take this opportunity to also extend a warm welcome to Mr. Hisamori Tomoyoshi, sorry if I'm not pronouncing the name correctly, Tomoyoshi Hisamori from METI. Thank you, sir, for coming. He will be here with us for the day, I understand. And METI has always been a big supporter for most of the initiatives which we have initiated with the government of Japan in various fields. And I think energy efficiency and broadly the cleaner energy technologies and policies, that has been the focus of many of the programs. We from TERI have also been fortunate to have a close association with METI in many years, including, I think, the flagship program which we do, the India-Japan Energy Forum, almost every 2 years, I think, which is supported again by METI and BEE from the Indian side. Coming to the program, I will not go into the details of the program because Patrick is here and he will be explaining that in more details, how we want to go with this program. But just a couple of words from my side. I think this whole subject of focusing on SMEs and energy efficiency is really gaining importance over the years. And we have been working from TERI in this field for many years now, I think almost 20 years. And we started activities in TERI on the energy efficiency field, on technologies way back in the mid-90s. When we started working with the support from the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation. And we still have that support continuing, but what we have now seen over the changes which we have seen over the last 5 to 6 years, I think, is that interestingly, lots of other international organizations, including the Japanese ones, are having an interest in this field. We have the Germans also programs specifically focusing on SMEs. AFD has come on board. We have a few GEF projects which are supported by the World Bank and by UNIDO. BE is having the project management cell for many of those GEF initiatives, and there are more in the pipeline. So I think the whole activity related to energy efficiency is really gaining ground, I believe. And it is now for the industry representatives to take the benefit of this whole international expertise which is available now. And the interest remains of the international community. On the domestic side, again, I think apart from the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, which has a specific program on with the SMEs, the other key ministry is actually the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MOMSME. They also have specific programs. They started a few years back with this, they call it as the TechCube scheme. I think we have a few representatives from the MSME ministry as well. They might be joining during the day if they are not here. We have from the development institutes, they have all over the country. So they are trying to promote in their own schemes energy efficient technologies in their respective regions. We have, I think, close to around 15 to 20 MSME development institutes across the country. We have the states represented through the SDAs here. I think we have Mr. Pandya and others from a few states, from Gujarat, Maharashtra, they are here. They are also taking the initiative. So in all, I would say the environment for energy efficiency is really, for the SME sector broadly, is there now. And it is for us to take the advantage, for the industry to take the advantage. I was just reading yesterday this news item which was there, and the zero defect and the zero effect program of the Government of India, where they really want to focus. The key objective of this huge initiative of this new Government of India is on drive manufacturing without impacting the environment. So that's the key objective on one. And the second one, which they're calling it as a bring down the rejection rates and deliver quality products. So this whole campaign probably is going to focus on this entire initiative of this Make in India. And ultimately, I think the beneficiary will be the Indian industry. That is again promoted by the other ministries in India, the DIPP and the MSME is a part of it, even Quality Council of India is a part of it. So I think both from the domestic side as well as from the international side, we have a very good environment. And we from TERI, let me assure the participants and the others on the dais that we from TERI will be always available in whatever way we could support the industry. Before I hand it over back to Patrick, who will be, as he mentioned, moderating the entire program for the day, let me also take this opportunity to introduce Mr. Patrick. He is the director for the Sustainable Business Solutions company in Sydney, Australia. As I mentioned, he will be moderating this program, but more importantly, I think he is a person who has been working on this subject of energy efficiency for many years now. He is presently, I understand, also working on a guide, developing a guidebook for energy efficiency for SMEs for the International Energy Agency. He was also, I think, one of the key persons for the last workshop which was organized in Sydney last year, I think, in Australia. And then I think we have we are having him here to moderate this whole program. So as I understood from him yesterday, he would like more to hear from all of you who are more of practitioners, your issues, your problems. And thank you, Patrick, for taking this burden, I would say, if you call it as a burden, because you came yesterday and then you are here for the whole day, and then you will be flying back to Australia specifically for this. Thanks all of you for joining, and I look forward to the deliberations during the day. Thank you.